Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and change payment method on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all we have to do is first of all access our Amazon on our phone. Can be from our app, or we can simply choose to access it from our browser itself. Once we're here in this section, you have to make sure that you're signed in as well. So right over here, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon on top. If you're on your app, simply tap on this profile icon again, that will be in below, and tap on your account option. For us, here in this your account section, all you have to do is tap on this see all for us. But right over there, you will be able to browse this kind of interface exact, and you're gonna scroll down to this payment section. Right over here, all you have to do is tap on this your payments option on top. Here in this section, you will be able to see your payment method that you have added for you. If you would like to simply change it, all you have to do is first of all tap on that particular payment method. Then you will be able to access two options for you, which will be remove and edit. If you simply would like to change an existing one, you can tap on edit, and you will get the chance to enter the card number, card name, CVV dates, and etc. expiry dates accordingly for the new payment card of yours, and you can choose to save it. That way it will be changed, or you can simply choose to remove that particular payment method and tap on this add a payment method. Simply add in the information accordingly. You can choose these options. You have FSA or HSA card, credit debit card, personal checking account, and add an EBT card. Simply go ahead, choose any one, enter the information, and you're good to go. You will be able to make and change your payment method on Amazon just likewise over here. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.